Esmeralda. Our topic for today is about the Internet and World Wide Web. The Internet, capitalized as in Internet when it first came into a web spread use depend as worldwide in connection. Connecting is a 1 million of the computers syndicate router and servers. When a computers are connected into the internet and user could start ending and receiving different types of information. Example, the internet ay ginagamit ang malaking titik na internet noong una. Ito ay lumalaganap bilang isang pandaigdigang network na nagkukonekta sa milyong-milyong computer sa pamamagitan ng mga dedikadong router and server. Ang mga computer na ito ay konektado sa internet. Ang internet ay ginagamit sa malalaking titik sa internet. Noong una, ito ay lumalaganap bilang isang pandaigdigang network na nagkukonekta sa milyong-milyong computer sa pamamagitan ng mga dedikadong router and server. Kapag ang mga computer ay konektado sa internet, ang mga user ay maaaring magsimula, magdala at tumanggap ng iba't ibang uri ng impormasyon. 8 types of key terms. 1 is the American National Standard Institute. 2 is the Central Processing Unit. 3 is Domain Name System. 4 is Graphical User Interface. 5 is the Hypertext Markup Language. 6 is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. 7 is the International Organization for Standardization. 8 is the Object-Oriented Programming. American National Standard Institute is a private non-profit organization that oversees the development of voluntary consensus standard for the product, services, processes, system, and personnel. In the United States, the organization also coordinates use a standard with an international standard so that American product can be used worldwide. Example, ANSI ensures keyboard layout and electrical plug follow an consistent standard. Central Processing Unit is the brain of a computer, a hardware component responsible for executing computer program and performing calculation, logic, operation, and input-output operation. Domain Name System is the method that our internet uses to store domain name and corresponding IP addresses. Example, act as the internet phone book, translating human-friendly domain names like example.com into numerical IP addresses that computer use to collect each other and on a network. Graphical User Interface allow user to interact with electronic device like computer and smartphone through visual and elements such as icon, buttons, menus, and windows rather than type-based command. Hypertext Markup Language is the standard markup language used to create a structured content for web page. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is the fundamental application layer protocol for data communication of the World Wide Web. Example, WebSaver has connected a database to the HTTP na request about na-respond gyap siya sa about kanang database and WebSaver. International Organization for Standardization. It is a non-governmental organization that develop and publish voluntary international standard for the various products, processes, and service for ensure safety and reliability, quality, and facilitate international trade. Object-oriented programming. The programming paradigm that organizes code around objects, which are software entities that combine data, attribute, or compute properties, and behavior functions or method.
So, operating system. A programming paradigm that organizes code around objects which are software entities that combines data attributes or properties and behavior functions or methods. Hypertext Processor. Originally an acronym for Personal Homepage, now stands for Hypertext Processor. It is a widely used open source server-side scripting language primarily designed for web development. A server-side programming language used to code dynamic websites and web applications. Structured Query Language. It is commonly known as SQL, is a domain-specific programming language primarily used for managing and manipulating data in relational database management system. A language used to store, manage, and retrieve data in database like MySQL Oracle. World Wide Web, a global system of interconnected hypertext documents accessed via the internet, allowing users to retrieve and share information like text, image, and video. A collection of websites and pages that can be accessed online through the internet. Windows Media Audio or WMA, a series of audio codes and their corresponding audio coding formats developed by Microsoft. It is a proprietary technology that forms part of the Windows Media Framework. Audio encoded in WMA is a store in a digital container format called Advanced System Format or ASF. Wireless Internet Service Provider. A wireless internet service provider offers internet access via wireless signal, eliminating the needs for physical cables like fiber or DSL to connect to a home or business. Extensible Markup Language. A markup language and file format designed for storing, transmitting, and reconstructing data. It provides a set of rules or encoding documents in a format that is both human-readable and machine-readable.
How does the web reflect the society and individuals? By mirroring their collective interests, values, and communication patterns, providing platforms for both connections and expression, and at times amplifying and assisting societal inequalities.
Good morning, everyone. The title of my report is The Internet. The Internet is the most significant technology evolution of modern era. So it is a vast global network and connection million of computers, allowing people to communities, information, and accessories worldwide with. So the importance of internet is first one of communication. Communication is establish internet messaging. So second one is education, provide online and resources. Third one is business, support economies. So the advantage of the internet is first fast up essay access information based on globalization gaps and communities, provide an evolution and economic growth, provide an opportunities for learning and remote job. So the disadvantage of the internet is this cybercrime and hacking and scam. So spam of measurement and fake news, excessive use can learn and addition and just provide activities. So the conclusion, the internet became a digital tool and influenced nearly every aspect of modern life. Well, the offers countless benefits and education, communities, and business. So it also presents a knowledge used as cybercurely, and that's our dependence. So that's all. Thank you.
Job the internet can do. So, the internet has one main job: to move digital information like text, videos, audio, software from one place to another place. So, this information is called data. The internet helps us to do many things, such as sending emails and browsing websites, to creating websites and programming software.
How data travels the internet. Data and information are transferred around the world through wired or wireless transmission media in the Philippines. The transmission media that make up the internet backbone allow information on data exchanges between networks at several locations across the country. Data is transferred from one network to another until it reaches to its final destination. Circuit switching. There is a big difference between how a telephone call works and how the internet carries data. Example, friend A gives friend B a telephone call. Then the telephone then opens a direct connection. So as long as the two friends are over the phone, the connection or circuit stays open between the two telephones. So as long as yung connection ng dalawang friend is nandoon pa, so tinatawag yun na circuit switching. So next is what computers do on the internet. Computers play different roles on the internet. Some act as storage and providers of information, while others access and use this information. Computers use the internet to communicate with each other and access information by sending and receiving data packets through a set of rules called protocols like TCP/IP. This enables a wide range of activities, from browsing websites and sending emails to streaming video, online gaming, and managing finances. So, yung computer, ginagamit ang mga computer ang internet upang makipag-usap sa isa't isa at mag-access ng impormasyon sa pamamagitan ng pagpapadala at pagtanggap ng mga data packets sa pamamagitan ng isang hanay na mga panuntunan na tinatawag na mga protocol. So, yun yung tulad ng TCP and IP. Nagbibigay daan ito sa malawak na hanay ng mga aktibidad. Mula sa pagbabrowse ng mga website at pagpapadala ng mga email sa mga streaming video, online na paglalaro, at yung pamahala ng pananalapi.
Sir, my title of report is the World Wide Web. The World Wide Web referred to as the selections of the public websites that are the connection to the worldwide. The WWW considered to be one of the applications in the Internet Computers Network Web Wide Technologies. Hypertext Markup Language (HTML) is the standard markup language used to the creating web page. Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP) is the classified of the set of the standard allowing users of the World Wide Web to the interchange information sent on website. Web service and the web browsers is the server applications reversing place negative information resources the World Wide Web. The searching information on the web. The website is the maintaining by its owner collect a web administrator. The owner can modify website information. Website is the collaborative website that allows users to create, add, modify, or delete the website content via to browser. Relators internet service providers WISP. Word processors allowed the users to write and later design flyers, create other type of documents. Word processor allowed the users to write and later create other type of the documents. Worldwide Web WWW consists of the worldwide collections of the electronic documents. Is a company to provide internet access to users with moderations. Wizard is a automated assistant that helps compute the tasks by asking questions and the information based on the answer. Web browser Web administration refers to the process for managing and maintaining a website or web application. Wizard is a release internet service provider is the company that provide internet access to users. Wizard is an automated assistant that help to complete tasks by asking questions. It is to allow the users write design, explain the WPS LibreOffice app. Worldwide Web WWW is electric documents and elections of worldwide.
The Internet started with the so-called ARPANET, which was established by the U.S. Department of Defense in the 1960s so that the military's research unit can collaborate or partner with business and government laboratories. Circuit switching and packet switching are the two modes of data transmission. Also, existing for almost 3 decades, the World Wide Web has developed a new virtual world within a generation. Lastly, some websites have enhanced features to adapt to the speedily growing techniques of the user's way of retrieving the web from large screen computers to small screen mobile phones.